What if I told you that a single toad can poison predators, eat almost anything it can fit in its mouth, and spread across an entire continent? Meet the cane toad, one of the most famous and controversial amphibians in the world. Originally introduced to control agricultural pests, this giant toad became one of the most successful invasive species on Earth. From deadly toxins and giant appetites to surprising intelligence and rapid expansion, here are 20 amazing facts about the cane toad. Stay until the end, because fact number 20 reveals why scientists consider the cane toad one of history's greatest biological experiments gone wrong. Let's begin. Fact 1. It didn't originally come from Australia. Many people associate cane toads with Australia. However, they're actually native to Central and South America. They were brought to Australia in 1935. Fact 2. They were introduced to fight pests. Cane toads were imported to help control beetles damaging sugarcane crops. Unfortunately, the plan didn't work as expected. The beetles lived too high on the sugarcane stalks for the toads to reach them. Fact 3. They became an invasive species. Without natural predators to keep them in check, cane toad populations exploded. Today, millions of them occupy large parts of Australia. Fact 4. They are among the world's largest toads. Adult cane toads can grow over 20 centimeters long. Some exceptional individuals become even larger. Their size makes them giants among amphibians. Fact 5. They have poison glands. Behind each eye is a large gland called a parotoid gland. These glands produce powerful toxins. When threatened, the toad can release poison as a defense. Fact 6. Their toxins can kill predators. Many native predators that attempt to eat cane toads become seriously ill or die. This has had major impacts on some wildlife populations. Fact 7. Even tadpoles are toxic. The poison isn't limited to adults. Cane toad eggs and tadpoles also contain toxins. This provides protection throughout much of their life cycle. Fact 8. They eat almost anything. Cane toads are opportunistic feeders. They consume insects, spiders, snails, small reptiles, pet food, carrion, and almost anything else they can swallow. Fact 9. They hunt at night. Most cane toad activity occurs after sunset. Cooler temperatures and darkness help reduce water loss and increase feeding opportunities. Fact 10. They can survive in many habitats. Cane toads are highly adaptable. They live in forests, grasslands, farms, suburbs, and urban environments. Fact 11. They can travel surprising distances. Although they don't look athletic, cane toads can move considerable distances. Some populations spread rapidly across new territory. Fact 12. Females produce thousands of eggs. A single female can lay tens of thousands of eggs in one breeding season. This enormous reproductive capacity contributes to population growth. Fact 13. Their tadpoles develop quickly. Once eggs hatch, tadpoles can grow rapidly under favorable conditions. Fast development increases survival chances. Fact 14. They have few natural enemies in Australia. Because of their toxic defenses, many Australian predators avoid cane toads. This gives them a major advantage. Fact 15. Some predators are adapting. Over time, certain native animals have learned ways to avoid the toxic parts or avoid cane toads altogether. Evolution and learning are helping some species cope. Fact 16. They are surprisingly tough. Cane toads can tolerate harsh conditions better than many amphibians. This resilience has helped them expand into diverse environments. Fact 17. They communicate with calls. Male cane toads produce loud calls in breeding season. These sounds attract females and help establish breeding groups. Fact 18. They can live for many years. In favorable conditions, cane toads may live for more than a decade. Their longevity increases their ability to reproduce successfully. Fact 19. They have become a subject of scientific research. Scientists study cane toads to understand invasive species, adaptation, evolution, and ecological impacts. Few amphibians have been researched so extensively. Fact 20. They are a lesson in unintended consequences. Perhaps the most fascinating fact about the cane toad is what it teaches us. A species introduced to solve one problem ended up creating many others. The cane toad story reminds us that ecosystems are incredibly complex, and even well-intentioned human actions can have unexpected results. Today, the cane toad stands as one of the most famous examples of an invasive species anywhere in the world. From deadly toxins and giant appetites to their incredible spread across Australia, cane toads are among the most remarkable and controversial amphibians on Earth. Which fact surprised you the most? Did you know their eggs are toxic, or that they were introduced to control pests? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing wildlife facts. Thanks for watching 20 Facts, where every fact is an adventure. See you in the next video.